Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating reading, astrological reading for Sagittarius. So, this is for September 2024. Actually, this is regarding the full moon and the new moon. Okay, ano yung maaaring maging effect sa'yo? Before that, be sure to check your rising sign, sun sign, and moon sign. Okay, dahil maaaring magbigay din ito ng message sa'yo. Especially your rising sign. Okay, so this is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, ano yung maaaring maging effect ng new moon? Actually, yung new moon nangyari na siya September 3 dito sa Pilipinas. Yung iba, nasa ibang bansa, check nyo na lang po kung kailan itong new moon nangyari sa pinaka-area ninyo. But anyway, yung effect kasi po nito ay maybe this week, no? First week ng September. And yung full moon naman, mangyayari siya September 18. So, this is lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, this is something big. Okay? Pwedeng hanggang 6 months na dadating pa sa buhay mo yung maging effect nitong lunar eclipse na ito sa'yo. So, pag-usapan natin yan. New moon. New moon na something to do with your new beginnings. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, it's happening in your 10th house. The new moon is happening in your 10th house. It is in the sign of Virgo. So, Sagittarius, pwedeng some of you, pwedeng may mga new beginnings or may mga maisipan kang bagong career or maybe something like long-term goals, pwedeng ganun, may mga goal ka na simulan na this is like pang matagalang goal na parang ay kailangan kong i-pursue to, gawin to. Maybe some of you, maybe may kinalaman sa iyong status. Gusto mong pagandahin ang status mo pagdating sa iyong family, pagdating sa iyong work, pagdating sa overall. So, maybe gagawa ka ng mga iniisip mong gumawa ng something good or something new sa buhay mo para mas maging maganda yung iyong reputasyon sa iba, your public image. Maybe gusto mong maging maganda ang tingin sa ng iba. So, some of you, there's a new beginning na may kinalaman doon. So, paano mo mas mapapaganda ang reputasyon mo sa iba, ang iyong sarili, kung how you present yourself to the world. And some of you, maybe there's a new beginning, yung activities na may kinalaman sa father or father figure, or maybe with your own father. Ayan. Or pwedeng may kinalaman sa mga lalaki sa buhay mo. Okay, so pwedeng may mga new beginnings with regards to that. Or maybe your father or your maybe your husband, pwedeng magkaroon sila ng bagong work or bagong career or bagong pagkakakitaan. And some of you, if you're planning or gusto mong maging famous, maybe pwedeng maisipan yan during this time, magkaroon ng bagong bagong account sa TikTok or bagong something na pwedeng gusto mong makilala ka, yung talents mo, maybe you're going to show or you're planning na ipakita naman ito din sa iba. And it's in the sign of Virgo, so some of you, mas nakafocus ka kasi sa mga details during this time Okay? You will be more detail-oriented. So, ano ba yung mga dapat, also, yun nga, some of you pwedeng maging workaholic during this new moon, and so, pwedeng mapansin mo, etong social media ko na ito, wala naman tong luma na tong social media ko, para magkaroon naman siya ng pakinabang. Ano kaya kung gawin kong itong page wherein pwede akong kumita, etc. So, some of you may kinalaman doon. And, Venus is also in your 10th house. In the sign of Libra, at home siya sa Libra, no? So, during this time, medyo magiging maganda, no? Dahil kung ano man yung mga babalikan mo in the past na pwedeng like ayusin or like ibalik, like maybe social media, magiging maganda yung effect nito. Like you want your dating TikTok account na babalikan mo siya para mas i-pursue siya ngayon, mas lagyan siya ng videos ngayon, and mas nakikita natin na pwedeng yung action mo na ito, mas magigain ka dito ng followers or mas magbibigay, kumbaga yung actions mo dito may potential. Okay. Na, um, yeah, there's a potential, maybe some of you, if you're looking for love, or if you want na mas mapansin ka na may kinalaman sa love, kasi your Mars and Jupiter is currently in your 7th house, and yeah, and ito ay nasa sign of Gemini. Gemini is, ang ruling planet niyan is Mercury, and Mercury has something to do with communication. So some of you, yeah, communication, technology, social media. So mas magbe-benefit ka talaga during this time dito. Okay? Ayan. Especially there's this big change pagdating sa iyong work. Or with regards to your money, some of you pwedeng nawala ng trabaho, or medyo nagkaroon ng time, no, para magkaroon ng isisingit mo tong bagay na ito, na pwedeng in the future magbigay ng mas benefit sa iyo, magbigay ng kita sa iyo, like, when you post pictures, or videos, maybe sa TikTok, and soon enough pwedeng pagkakitaan mo siya, or maybe yun nga, if you're planning to mag-post sa, gamitin yung page or yung Facebook mo na pagkakitaan, then there's a high chance na magkaroon ng big change and magandang outcome or magandang resulta dito. Okay? And I can see you na magkakaroon ng expansion or growth with regards sa iyong 7th house. So, yeah. Be careful lang. Kasi pwedeng around this time, medyo, maybe people in your family, pwedeng hindi sila maging ganun ka-honest sa'yo. Okay, anyway, there's this, full moon, lunar eclipse happening in your 4th house. So, some of you, pwedeng may mga changes na gagawin pag na may kinalaman sa home, may kinalaman sa family, pwedeng may kinalaman din sa mother. Pwedeng there's this changes, or full moon, it's about ending. It's about, yung iba, ending or new beginnings. Okay? Maybe new house or new paglilipat, ganyan. And but also it has something to do with your family, with your tradition. Ayan, pwedeng there's this big change na gagawin mo with regards to that. Okay, pagpapaglilipat. Ayan, maisipin yan within this 6 months. Tapos, yung iba, pagta-travel might be, and then, or maybe, changes na gagawin sa home ng maybe your mom. Because Mars is currently in Cancer during this full moon. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-iisip regarding sa ano kayang gagawin natin na transformation, changes sa bahay ni mama, ni mother. Ano kayang magandang gawin dyan? So, pwedeng mapag-isipan or gawa ng action yan. So, if not your mom, or dito sa home or house na kinalakihan mo, pwedeng sa house mo mismo. Okay? Some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-iisip na ano kaya lumipat tayo, kasi baka magkaroon ng mas mag-benefit tayo, or mas okay ito with regards sa ating maybe mas malapit kasi sa trabaho, or dahil dito sa pagbabago ng trabaho ng kung hindi man ikaw maybe part of your family, pwedeng kailangan lumipat ng tahanan. So, nakakita tayo ng major changes dito with regards to your home. Okay? And also, lunar eclipse, may mga bagay na ipapakita sa'yo, like, pwedeng something in your home na pwedeng hindi mo napapansin. Dati parang okay lang, pero ngayon parang mas makikita mo siya this lunar eclipse. Ano ba yung bagay sa home ninyo na dati hindi mo napapansin pero ngayon kailangan mo pala talaga siyang gawain or pansinin. Maybe problem with regard sa bakit ang laki ng tubig natin, bakit ang laki ng kuryente natin, tapos yung pala may something na nangyayari, like pwedeng may leakage pala sa pipe, yan, sa water pipe, so we need to ayusin ito, so things like that, na may kinalaman sa home, na parang no choice ka but to you know, baguhin itong bagay na ito. Okay? Especially that your Pluto is currently in your second house. So some of you, there's this mga bagay na may isipan mong gawain with regards to your money. And yung Pluto, nagkakaroon siya ng retrograde pa sa Capricorn. This is the last time na pupunta siya sa Capricorn sa buong buhay mo. Kasi ang susunod niya pagpunta doon is, 204 years. Ang bibilangin bago siya mabalik sa Capricorn. And of course, 200 years, wala ka na nun. Patay na tayo nun. So, hindi mo na siya mararanasan. Ngayon mo lang siya mararanasan sa Capricorn. So, maybe there's this big change na parang, think about 2008. Ano nangyari sa iyo noong 2008? Ano yung mga ginawa mo during that time na pwedeng nagbigay ng big change din sa buhay mo? Yung changes ba na yon naging mas better for you? For example, ikaw ay lumipat ng tahanan. Ito bang paglipat mo ng tahanan, mas nagbigay ng growth sa'yo? Mas nag-improve ka ba sa person? Mas nakatulong ba yun sa family mo? Okay? So now, etong Pluto retrograde will help you realize na parang, ops, tignan mo yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, ano yung tingin mo kailangan mong baguhin dyan? Maybe may kinalaman sa iyong home, may kinalaman sa iyong money, possessions, or finances ng partner mo, or your career. Is that a career that you want? Is that a career na talagang you feel at home ba dyan, or you feel like parang napipilitan ka lang, parang ganun. So magkakaroon ng pagkagising sa katotohanan etong lunar eclipse, and makakatulong yun sa'yo to make changes for the better. Whatever endings, whatever changes na gagawin mo during this lunar eclipse, and sabi ko nga, this 6 months na dadating sa buhay mo, definitely mas mag-work out yung mga susunod sa'yo, because makikita mo yung dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo baguhin yung area ng life mo na yun. Okay? Makikita na lang, mararamdaman mo na lang, boom. Diba? Yan. So anyway, I will end the reading here. Thank you for watching. Ma-appreciate ko yung likes ninyo, comments ninyo. And if ever na gusto niyo magpabook ng personal reading, if ever na you are willing to wait, I highly encourage lang yung mga willing to wait. Kasi honestly, sometimes it would take me a week or so bago maka-reply kasi I'm really, really busy. Bukod dito sa YouTube, I do have a lot of business, and ayun, marami po akong pinagkakabalahan. Online business, and I do have a restaurant if you want to check it. Jali's Restaurant along Naga Road. Ayan. Minsan napunta ako doon, so baka maanuhan mo ako doon, matsempuhan. So, Las Piñas, by the way, Naga Road, Las Piñas, Jali's Restaurant. Pwede ka doon mapunta. You might want to check our food. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.